On this week's episode of Must Have Mondays, we have
the 2023 to 2025 Ford F-350 Super Duty. When you're behind the wheel of a Ford F-350 Super Duty, you're towing more, hauling more, and pushing your truck to the limit. That kind of work demands brakes that don't just match factory performance, they match your workload. The DFC 5000 advanced brake pads and GeoSpec rotors are engineered for heavy-duty reliability, offering OE-level fit, powerful stopping force, and long-lasting corrosion resistance. This combo was built to handle the heat, whether you're towing a trailer, loaded with tools, or going off the grid. DFC is proud to be one of the first aftermarket brake manufacturers to offer brake pads, rotors, and hardware for this new application, providing a complete solution for distributors and installers alike. Whether it's our DFC 5000 series brake pads, our corrosion-resistant GeoSpec coated rotors, or our OE-specific hardware kits, every part is precision engineered for fit, performance, and reliability. For added convenience, these parts are also available in an all-in-one brake kit, saving time on the shelf and in the shop. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog fast, and supporting our partners with top-tier fill rates and service. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your local sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model.